Ha?
Take 12.
$12? Kuya Igo, see how many hours now are you making masahe?
1.
You make sundot-sundot na puwit to, Ken, so that all the part will go out. Put. Wow, very nice. Sweet naman, Ken. So that Tita Mommy will pay you $25 because you make massage to Kuya Igo's puwet. Okay. Okay. You make sundot-sundot na guhitin na puwet. Chut. Very good, Ken. Very good. Okay. Igo, you have to pay Ken, ha?
Okay.
So that Ken can go to Disneyland again, ha, Ken? You'll be going back to Universal Studio and Disneyland.
I'm gonna go to Universal Studios.
Because Kuya Igo is going to pay you.
It's Knott's Farm.
Okay?
And I can buy.
Wait,
Yeah.
Knott's Farm.
And here's the mermaid. Ate Megan, the mermaid.
What's better? Knott's
Tinkerbell is making a massage to Incredible Hulk.
What's better?
And then, yeah, he's an Incredible Hulk. Okay.
Oh,
That's good.
I don't like her with
Say hi, Kuya Nino.
Hi, Nina.
See.
My butt is all numb now.
Okay, you slap his face now. That's the end of your massage. Slap as hard as you can. Come on. Slap as hard as you can. That's for free. Okay. And then the ending is you kiss Kuya Igo. You kiss Kuya Igo. And then Kuya Igo, in return, you're going to flirt. Toot. And then, Ken, you will say, that's all, folks.
Huh?
You will say, bye-bye, paalam.